Have you ever heard a strange sound coming from space? You're not alone. NASA and other space agencies have been capturing eerie audio signals from the cosmos that have left scientists puzzled and intrigued. These strange sounds can be anything from the hum of cosmic radiation to the eerie calls of distant planets. But what exactly are they, and what do they mean for our understanding of the universe? For decades, scientists have been decoding these sounds. They originate from various natural phenomena, including pulsars, quasars, and even solar winds. Each sound tells a story about the universe's structure and behavior. One of the most compelling examples is the WOW signal detected in 1977. This 72-second burst of radio waves from the Sagittarius constellation remains unexplained and continues to spark theories about extraterrestrial life. Scientists also use these sounds to study planetary atmospheres. For instance, the sounds of Saturn's rings provide insights into their composition and the processes that shape them. So the next time you hear a strange sound from space, remember, it could be nature's way of communicating with us. Each sound is a key to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration of strange sounds from space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the universe. What sound do you think is the most mysterious? Let us know in the comments.